here with Tahir Basheer from Sheridans, and we're going to talk about lawyers and artists today. So what is a law firm's role in an artist's career?
Well, lawyers in the music industry are different to lawyers in other industries because typically lawyers in the music industry tend to get more involved in the career of the talent, whereas lawyers in other industries are there effectively looking at problems and contracts.
Yeah.
So in the music industry, lawyers act as not just legal advisors, but also as business consultants, effectively.
Yeah, sure. And so, in a way, the work of a lawyer complements that of a manager, and if so, in what way?
We work very closely with managers where an artist has a manager. So typically the manager will be talking about a particular deal or look for deals, and then we'll consult with the lawyer as to the deal terms. And then the lawyer helps execute the deal with the manager. In some cases, we have more of a wider angle and understanding of deals because we do so many for different artists, whereas a manager looks after one artist. So that helps managers. And in other cases, some artists don't have managers. So in those scenarios, the lawyers act as pseudo-managers as well.
Yeah, sure. And looking at the relationship with labels as well, do you provide contacts with labels too if artists come to you?
Yeah, I mean, realistically, you know, we don't go out and shop deals as much as managers do because that's their job. Having said that, we have very close relationships with labels. They get to know you very well because they do so many deals with you. They look to you to close deals, so you have a different role in their eyes. And quite often, if they know that you act for various artists, and we act for probably more artists here at Sheridans than any other law firm in the UK, they know that you've got good quality artists on your books, so they're looking to build business as well. So quite often we're used as a filtering process for new artists.
Sure. And finally, a question that is, I think, in everybody's mind in terms of emerging artists. When is the right time to go and speak to a law firm or to a lawyer?
Yeah, I mean, as an emerging artist, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your music is as good as it can be. It's all about the creativity. There comes a time when you need to speak to a lawyer, and that time can vary for different artists. Obviously, the best time is if you've got a deal in place, because at that point, you do need someone to advise you around that. Sometimes with some artists, they need a bit of guidance as to how to approach things. And so, I do speak to artists earlier, and with some artists' case, very early. But ultimately, it will be at the point that they've got something in place where they want to, sign up to something.
That's great. Thank you very much. And until next week.